We are unfortunately leaving Tokyo today. It is a very noisy train station. This is the Narita Express truck, and ours is at 11:33. It goes every half an hour at 3 past and 33 past. Go figure, but one of those things. So it was a bit chaotic, but we managed to find and buy tickets for the Narita Express going to Terminal 1, because we have our flight to Hong Kong. So this part of the station is one of the older ones, and we're flying to Hong Kong Terminal, going via Narita Airport to Terminal 1. There are two parts to the train tickets. One is the ordinary part and one is the ticket reservation part, or what have you. Since we had money on our IC cards, he suggested we pay for one part of the ticket there and then top up the rest with our IC card, use the rest of the IC card. So IC card wouldn't be enough, so we'll be topping it up with some money as well, the cash we have. At the counter, it was only cash or card. You couldn't sort of mix and match. So maybe we can use the cash at the airport. Let's see. Or change it for Hong Kong dollars. Quite a nice looking train, really. Woo! It got going very fast. Stops for very little time at Tokyo Station. Literally as soon as we got on, it moved. We have loads and loads of legroom, and there is a recline on these seats as well. These are our seats, quite comfy, wide, a big tray table, a seat back pocket with information about Tokyo, and a cup holder, bottle holder.
Your attention. The station where you should get off depends on which airline you are going to use. Please be careful. Passengers departing from Terminal 2 and Terminal 3, please get off at the station for Narita Airport Terminals 2 and 3. Passengers departing from Terminal 1, please remain on board and get off at the final stop, Narita Airport Terminal 1. If you wish to use a mobile phone, please come to the end sections near the doors. We wish you a pleasant journey. Thank you.
The trains have so many announcements, just keep going and going and going. There's no quiet moment. Last look of Skytree. They have luggage spaces. There's plenty of space left as well. It looks like not everybody is going with luggage, so I don't know what's happening there. But not everybody is boarded with luggage. Maybe they go to work. But that's there's a cheaper way to get to the airport. You can even lock your luggage in there. There's a wire, and you can put your code in there. But to do that, it will take time to unlock it and all of that kind of stuff, because it just stops for such a short time. You literally have to be ready to get off, jump out. They have a washpan basin and unisex toilet. A decent sized toilet to place for this baby changing, and a place to sit a child as well. Do not drink this water. Hand wash as well. Oh, that's a urinal thing. This part of the luggage area is a bit more full, but the train isn't very full at all. Oh, this carriage is a lot more noisier than the other one, but maybe we are passing over tracks which aren't that good. Last look at Japan, and then we're going to Hong Kong. We are almost to Narita airport. It's gonna get a bit hectic when we get there and try to get our luggage off and get off, because it doesn't stop for very long. Have you taken Narita Express to get into town? What was your experience? The train's smooth, but to get on it can be a bit chaotic because it doesn't stop for very long. You don't have much time. But we had amazing scenery, and see how many rice paddy fields are everywhere in Japan, because between Kyoto and Tokyo there were many, and even here there are many. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time for travel and review videos.